Hey guys, it's Steve Zelinardi here with Treviso Realty. We did a drone over in GL, just kind of give you an update on the progress of the community there. So let's have a look now. This was shot last Friday, so about a week ago. Today's July 7th. Um, Very fun to drive that car around Florida, to be honest. Okay, so we're at the model homes here. We're gonna shoot up and out to the front of the area and just kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. So this is obviously the model homes here. They've really, you'll be surprised with how many houses got built since the last time we've droned over. So these guys are motoring pretty aggressively in regarding house building. Again, I have that tilt going. I don't know why. It's a button that we hit, and I can't turn it off. So it looks like we're flying a plane. It's all good. I try to be as easy as possible. Yeah, so all pretty cool. Yeah, I had some drone settings again. We did Verdana Village shortly after, and it worked perfectly fine. So you can see it's just like a drunk line here. Um, yeah. And you know what? It's hot as hell is today too, and something was weird that you couldn't even see the screen. Um, but let's keep it going here. Oh, you got to check this out. This is really cool. The entrance to this community is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at this. Did such a great job. This is also great for the corkscrew, to be honest. It is absolutely gorgeous. As we spin around here. Ooh. Let me speed it up a bit. Ooh. I think I want to take a run at it. Oh yeah, look at this. How gorgeous is that? So it's a running waterfall, which is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, yeah, so really, really beautiful. Again, this is great for our neighborhood. This is a great job GL did on this amazing waterfall. Gorgeous, really, really nice. When me and my wife drove by for the first time, we were in Toronto for 3 weeks for the summer break, and then this was completed by the time we got back. It was first word that came out of our mouths was wow. So really beautiful. Let's keep it going here. So you can see that the community is getting built up pretty good. The amenity center, which is here, is still nowhere near start. Clearly, I guess they're gonna build the back section here, maybe a few more there than start the amenity center. Um, but that's pretty much it. I mean, a lot of homes got put up in the time. There's some great incentives here at GL. We had clients that came in from out of town. We got I think it was the Olympia. It's a 3,500 square foot model. They got it priced out at $1 million finished, and that's with the upgrades and a pool. So not so bad. Um, that's pretty much it. So we're ready to go. We're going to do another video now on Verdana Village just to kind of give you the update. They did the pool there, all completed. The amenity centers, it's literally like 8 days away from opening. So that's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day.